The 1970 Dodge Charger Ghost by SpeedKore, a stunning blend of classic American muscle and modern performance technology. This remarkable build redefines what it means to be a high-performance vehicle, combining meticulous craftsmanship with cutting-edge engineering. Powertrain. Power comes from a reworked Dodge 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 delivering over 700 horsepower to the rear wheels via a TREMEC TR-6060 speed manual transmission that routes power through a Driveshaft Shop carbon fiber driveshaft and strange 9-inch rear end. The supercharged V8 features a one-off cold air intake and breathes through custom SpeedKore fabricated 4-into-1 headers and exhaust system with MagnaFlow mufflers. Wheels and tires. Custom HRE 19 by 9-inch front and 20 by 12-inch rear wheels wrapped in 265 by 35 ZR19 and 345 by 30 ZR20 Michelin Pilot Sport. 4S tires complete the setup. Chassis. The 4 by 2-inch steel chassis connects to a 14-point roll cage, which ensures 3-dimensional rigidity and allows for a wider track and longer wheelbase to sharpen handling dynamics further. An Itadite steering column and Woodward steering rack add agility, while Penske dual-adjustable coilovers ensure composure. All this rides on a Detroit Speed double A-arm front suspension and custom 4-bar diagonal link rear suspension by SpeedKore. Stopping power is provided by Brembo 6-piston calipers that clamp down on 14-inch rotors up front and dual Brembo 4-piston calipers at the rear to bring the Charger to a quick halt. Interior. Inside the cabin, the extensive detailing continues with a custom carbon fiber dash, door panels, and rear interior quarter panels. The seats feature carbon fiber backs and custom leather by the Auto Alliance, while gauges from Classic Instruments complete the melding of classic Mopar and modern performance. A custom SpeedKore center console and 2,000-watt Bluetooth-driven audio system from Kicker Audio finish the interior experience.